Yeah, man, I Shannon can represent for Madly TV. I mean, I say your PPMV, you know, large, you don't know the thing, because Eshkanin can talk. This is what I tell you. Whew! Nyali a pum pum good. Yeah, man, I Eshkanin can. Mad.
Oh.
I got that on tape.
Like dusty feet.
Bad
Oh, it's a
maca.
nail. Oh no, it's not.
Say,
It's just whoops.
Madly TV, big up. Is that good? Big up Madly TV.
And big up Sunpin.
hey, something, you're on Madly TV.
Yeah man, Madly TV, I don't know say I patch the girl them snatch her, hey look you watch her, big up your damn self, Lord.
Yeah, man. That's her. So you don't know a Pelachi this. I'm representing for PPMV. You see me I say? Big up yourself, yo, Madly TV. Yeah. Bumbo clock to them. Fit and ready, hey. That was an error. It's not calculated. Oh, big up Madly TV.
Big up
Madly TV.
Madly TV, a Firelax representing skillfully and illfully, a seaside where they are billfully.
Oh. I don't know Pelachi this. I don't know my style already. We're not too swimming seeds. We just edge water where they are go out to go on the seeds. Yeah, man. So you don't know, big up Madly TV, big up PPMV, big up the whole D-Flip families, you see me? Don't know part of the extension family that too. So we can't left them out, they don't know the thing. Big up Tough Chin, you see me? Pelachi this. Different level, you see me I say? Thing not normal, I tell you that. You see me? Big man thing. That's a fight we get still, but we never give up. We don't know how to. You see me? Until death, I don't know how to. So you don't know the thing now. Big up. Straight.